Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best folding electric bike under $1,500 in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. LIAN Folding Electric Bike. The frame is made of durable 6061 aluminum alloy front and rear shock absorbers, providing smooth cushioning and shock absorption when riding on rugged terrain. The strong power of 48-volt 1000-watt motor adds fun to your journey. The maximum speed of the motor can reach 40 km per hour. It also be large capacity 15 amp-hour lithium battery built into the frame, waterproof and dust-proof. Strong output. The endurance is up to 50 km by full electric mode and 100 km by pedal assist mode. This bike charging time 5 to 7 hours. It also be front and rear hydraulic disc brake with power off function can effectively reduce the brake distance. It also be 3 working modes. 1. Pedal assist mode 1 to 5 gears. When you step on the bicycle, the motor will assist you with moderate power. 2. Full electric mode. Turn the throttle in any increment you want to power the bicycle motor. 3. Bicycle mode. Pedal normally like a normal bicycle. 4.0 fat tire electric vehicles which can easily cope with difficult sand, snow or roads. LCD meter displays the actual speed, mileage, power, battery voltage, fault analysis, etc., which will add more fun to your riding and provide more safety. Number 4. A Dece Oasis A20 folding electric bike. Lightweight aluminum alloy, 40% lighter than the high carbon steel aluminum alloy body, light damping, riding more relaxed. It also be 350-watt Hall brushless gear DC motor with G drive control system. This bike maximum speed 25 km per hour. This bike provides the cross-country motor riding experience, cross the hill, mud road, forest, enjoy your life. It also be large capacity 10.4 amp-hour lithium battery, high efficiency energy recycling system, energy recycling in braking or stopping startup, power conversion for longer assisting distance. You can riding 60 km full charge and charging time 6 hours. It also be front and rear double disc brake system, fast heat dissipation design, ensure the emergency brake, smooth brake, safe and reliable. It also be 24 kg ultra lightweight and quick folding design for convenient carrying in your car trunk. Multi-layer thick rubber tire, super grip, anti-skid and explosion proof. Enjoy riding in all kinds of surface road. Best user experience. HD LCD screen, real-time query cycling data, clearly display under the sunshine. It also be professional bicycle ergonomic design, make you feel more comfortable when riding. Number 3. LIAN folding electric bike. The strictly selected aluminum alloy 6061 material, after T46 heat treatment, has higher strength, corrosion resistance, and rust resistance, and ensures the support strength of each part. The strong power of 48-volt 1000-watt motor adds fun to your journey. The maximum speed of the motor can reach 40 km per hour, and it can climb 35-degree steep slopes. The 14.5 amp-hour lithium battery is very powerful, and the power-assisted cruising range can reach 100 km and charging time 6 hours. It also be 3 working mode. 1. Pedal assist mode. When you step on the bicycle, the motor will assist you with moderate strength. 2. Full electric mode. Turn the throttle at any power increment you want to power the bicycle motor. 3. Manual mode. Pedal the bicycle normally like any bicycle. It also be dual hydraulic disc brakes. It can conquer various terrains such as off-road and bring a comfortable riding experience. When you brake, the power will automatically cut off. The LED display mounted on the handlebar has an independent control unit for smart and clear operation. The display screen ensures visibility at night and displays mileage, speed, and battery power. 20-inch into 4-inch fat tire for all terrain. Anti-skidding, adapt to snow, sand, and other complex topography. provide a safe, balanced, fast and stable cycling experience for daily commute, hill climbing, or weekend exploring. Number 2. Fufina FX01 Folding Electric Bike. The frame is made lightweight aluminum alloy. It also be 48-volt 1000-watt high-speed brushless motor brings unlimited power, maximum speed 35 to 40 km per hour, built-in battery, waterproof, and anti-theft design. 48-volt 12.8 amp-hour capacity battery can drive about 40 km in pure electric state, drive 80 km in assist mode. Long battery life and charging time 6 hours. It also be 26-inch 4.0-inch wide fat tire. Snow, sand, beach, urban roads are free from obstruction. Maximum load capacity 230 kilograms. Upgraded ZOD front and rear oil brakes. Not only can achieve uphill and downhill, slow, constant speed up, but also make your riding safe even on raining days. It also be large screen intelligent control module. Higher performance electric mountain bike. This bike front high beam spotlights and LED lights save energy, while making the rider safer at night. Number 1. Gma R7 Folding Electric Bike. This frame made high-strength aluminum alloy. It also be 48-volt 800-watt high-power engine. 30-degree climbing power is strong, waterproof, dust-proof, noise reduction, strong power, maximum speed 30 to 50 km per hour. It also be 12.8 amp-hour lithium built-in hidden battery. This bike can riding 50 km full charge, portable and detachable charge anywhere. Charging time 6 hour, long-lasting battery life escorts complex terrain, making riding more fun. Front and rear disc brakes, you can choose any speed to enjoy faster riding time or experience relaxing holiday according to your needs. Perfect brakes fully protect your safety. 3 riding modes to meet your different needs. 1. Human mode. Don't turn on the power, ride like a bicycle. 2. Power assisted mode. Starting power supply, driving by riding and electric energy. 3. Electric mode. Power driven forward. 4.0-inch wide tires, buffer and anti-pothole. The wheel has a large contact area with the ground, and the ability to resist pits is stronger. Maximum load capacity 180 kilograms. Upgrade smart headlights, high brightness front light. The road can be seen more clearly at night.